Where do I even start? Honestly, the number of videos that I've seen on YouTube today concerning the flat earth theory, I can honestly say that none of these people have actually thought it through. They come up with a bunch of convoluted reasons why they believe that the earth is flat, and none of it stands up to scrutiny. And there is many observational ways that we can prove that the earth is round. I'm not talking about NASA pictures and things like that, but I'm going to enlist the help of this. Imagine that's the North Pole, that's the South Pole, right? Imagine you're a fly that sat on top of this ball right here, and you're looking up that way, and you can see some stars. Just imagine this is the Earth. Down here, there's another fly. It's looking up, but that direction. Sees another set of stars. Now, this is exactly what happens in real life. If you live in the southern hemisphere, you'll see completely different stars than the people who are living in the northern hemisphere. Yeah? Makes sense? Now, if the Earth was completely flat, as some of these idiots claim, we would all see exactly the same stars, wouldn't we? Makes sense. Now, aside from that, there's some other problems with that theory as well. Namely, the one that they can't actually explain the difference between daytime and nighttime. They claim that the Earth is like a flat plane, and that the sun is kind of just going round in circles around the flat plane. How would you get nighttime? No, I can't see it either, because if the sun was really doing that, to be daytime everywhere, all the time, it would just be brighter at some times of day than at other times of day. Yeah, makes sense? So that's two ways to conclusively prove that this flat earth theory that some of you are pushing, not scientifically right at all. You've been misinformed. Sadly, you're spreading the misinformation, and you're leading people to believe stuff that was debunked centuries ago. So that's not cool. Not good at all. You know, I really wish that people would think things through before they start posting such bullshit onto YouTube. Really. It shouldn't take any kind of genius to figure this stuff out. I mean, you know, you look at the evidence, and from where I'm sitting, it's completely ridiculous that people are posting these videos without even looking at all of the evidence altogether. And something else the flat earthers aren't doing, they're not explaining the seasons neither. Now, the seasons are perfectly explainable when you consider sun's here, the earth is like here, it's rotating around and it's on an angle, so of course you can get the seasonal variations every 6 months depending on which hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. Explain that, flat earthers. How do you explain the seasons? I tell you what, you can't. And you can't because your theory's wrong, and you know it's bloody wrong, so stop peddling nonsense. Thank you and goodbye.